Hello to all my viewers. Hello to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. All right, so in today's video, I'll be advertising our upcoming event to you at Taron Innovative World. There was a day I posted the picture I posted a picture of throw pillow and I asked if you are interested in learning, and a lot of you indicated interest. All right, now the deal is it's not free. You have to sacrifice something. Look, this video that I make all the time, I sacrifice a lot. I spend a lot of fortune to do this. Now it is time for you to also sacrifice for me. All right, so it's just for 1,000 naira, and I'll be teaching you how to make different types of throw pillows. I believe 1,000, you can even spend 1,000 naira on something like a drink or anything. So investing 1,000 naira into your business, into your own life, I don't think is something difficult. So I'm encouraging you. All right, so now I'll be posting the link, the WhatsApp link through which you will, an invite link. Check the description box. There will be an invite link there that will take you to the WhatsApp group. Actually, that is not the real group. That's not the main forum for the training. All right, so this will just is to indicate those that are interested. So once you get into that, once you get you click through the invite link and it takes you to WhatsApp. I know that you are interested. Then you show me your payment slip. All right, now I'm promising you that in this very training, all right, I'll be sending direct video and you are not going to see it anywhere on YouTube. So if you feel that, okay, after all, she's going to post it this time around, please, I'm not going to post it. All right, I'm not going to post it. I've made a lot of sacrifice. I believe it's time for you to also sacrifice for me. I spend a lot of money to 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 upload video for you, to help you to do better. A lot of you have been telling me, God bless you, God bless you. Now I want God to use you to bless me. I want God to use you to bless Taron Innovative World. All right, so now I'll be I'm going to be posting an invite link there, a WhatsApp invite link there on the description, in the description box. Click on it. It will take you to a temporary page or platform. All right, so now once you show me the payment, your confirmation of your payment, I'm going to be adding you to another group. All right, this time around we are using WhatsApp group, okay, group chat, and then I'll be posting direct videos there where you'll be able to save directly into your phone. And please don't share my video with anybody. I'm spending a lot of fortune to make this. Please don't sell my video to anybody. Don't sell it. If anybody wants to learn, you can direct the person to me. All right, we'll keep on doing more training. Okay, so I've been good to you. You have always said it that I'm a nice person. But the fact is, I spend a lot of money. Please subscribe. Check the invite link and get to the WhatsApp, okay, so and show me the confirmation of your payment. All right, so now everything, how to pay, once you get to the WhatsApp group, okay, so now everything, the poster and everything, how you're going to pay, the account, everything will be there. Okay, so what I just need you to do is first of all get into the group first, so that okay, you see everything, you pay, show me your confirmation, and then I'll register you on the main training group. Thank you. This time around we're going to have 5 good days of training. Like I said, I'll be sharing direct videos to you, and you're not going to see the video anywhere. It's going to be a personal thing, okay? It's going to be a personal thing. All right, so thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit, you are missing a lot. Ask people that have been following. I have a lot of people that have chatted me, that still chat me, and then that ask me questions, that pray for me, that my video has helped them in their businesses. I don't think sacrificing for me now will be too difficult for you. If truly you love this channel, as you said, and you have always prayed, God bless, God bless. I want God to bless me through you. I want God to bless Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit, through you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. You can see that these days I've not been posting. All right, there's a lot of financial obligation. For me to post, I have to spend a lot of money, and then you see, to do video, to make video is not something easy, and it's not as if I'm being paid. Okay, I'm just doing it for free. All right, so thank you so much. See you in my next video. And if my videos have been helping you, thumbs up, click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the thumbs up button to show that you have been helped. It has helped you. All right, so please share the information with your friends, especially this training that is coming up. Share it with your friends. Tell them about it. Let a friend tell a friend, let a friend tell a friend and a friend, and so on and so on. I'm looking forward to at least 100 students. Okay, so please be a medium through which I'm blessed, through which Taron Innovative World is blessed, through which our team is blessed. Thank you so much. And by doing this, you help me, you encourage us to do more videos. All right, so thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.